The final part of this process is for the supervisor to check off how many days the user took, compared to how many days were requested in his original request for a leave of absence. Here, the supervisor looks at the information submitted by the user in the previous task, and again has another drop-down to choose whether to update the system with the leave or reject it and send it back to the user. The supervisor and the user can pass the case between them until everybody is happy, and the information is correct and relevant. At the end of this task, we also get an overview of how many days of vacation the user has remaining.